Hello, Python enthusiasts and lifelong learners, as well as avid learners. Today, I am going to show you a CRUD app in Python from scratch. The approach I will use is functional programming approach. Last video, I presented you with object-oriented programming. Today, I am going to show you create, read, update and delete functionalities with the most efficient ways in functional programming approach. So for that, let's start with I have created the project folder, which is functional, under which I have product underscore data.py and main.py file. Product underscore data.py, I will use the products. I'll put the data in here so that I can import in the main.py file. So let's begin with that. Products equals start with, I'm writing some data, name, milk gallon, price is going to be $5.99, quantity is going to be 2. I'll buy 2 gallons of milk. Second, name is going to be orange juice. Price going to be $2.99. Quantity will be 3 liters. Okay, let's go a couple more. Name is going to be bread. Bread loaf. Price will be $2.99 and quantity also buy 2 loaves. Okay, one more, right? Cheese going to be cheese, let me make it capital, cheese. Price is going to be $4.88 and quantity is going to be 1. Okay, so that is the product list. All right. Now we're going to import that in the file. So here from product data, import products. Okay. Now, so read means display. Def display products. Okay. So I'm going to use list comprehension, the most efficient way of showing it. Join string is going to be p of name. Let me write here for p in product. Okay, p of name, comma, p of price, comma. Let me pull it a little over here, comma, p of quantity. Okay, so that will display the product, read the product. Okay, now let's write def add product. Okay, here we're going to do product, comma, name, comma, price, comma, quantity. Okay, let me pull this in because okay, add products. So here, new product equals, going to use dictionary, name is going to be ham slices, price is going to be $6.99, quantity is going to be 3. Okay, that is what we'll add. Oh, new product. Sorry, I will add this product when I do when I call the function. Here I'm just going to write the variables. Name equals name, price equals price, quantity equals quantity. Okay, new product is that. So let's return that. Return products plus new product. New product is a list, right? New product. Okay, so that will yield the product. That will add the product. Now let's delete. Delete product. So for that, what we need, products and name. We're going to delete on the basis of name. Okay, so let's write this comparison. P for P in products if P of name, dot strip, just going to any mistakenly put on spaces around will be taken away with this method. Strip is not equal to name dot strip. Okay, if that is not the case, we're going to filter that. Let's put that in a variable filter. So we'll filter so that can be removed. Okay, so return length. So once you have deleted the length, the size of the product list should be smaller, right? So that's why we're doing filtered, length filtered is not equal to size length of the product and here we call filtered. Okay, so that is going to delete. Now the list of the product that we had in the product that data py, let's print here. You're going to print product, print products, okay, and call the display method display product, okay, products. All right, that will read the product. Now updating. As for updating codes, let's do this. Success dot products equals delete products. So what we're going to delete? Let's delete this item, milk gallon. Okay. Delete product and the argument product, comma, milk gallon. Yeah, milk gallon. Let's make sure the spelling and the capitalization is correct. Milk gallon. Okay. Product, milk gallon. That is what we will delete. Okay. So if success, if the deletion is success, print. We will do print after deleting milk gallon. After deleting milk gallon. Okay, let me do this because gap the double quote inside the single quote. After deleting milk gallon, okay, let's display product. Okay, display products. Okay, so this is updating. Once you delete it, you print a new product list without the deleted item. Else, if not success, if that operation is not success, then print. Here you can just write product not found. Okay, so now all we need is, let's call the functions. Products equals product. We're going to call the add product. Okay, what are we going to add? Products, comma, we're going to, here is the error. We're going to add, let me see what product we have here. Cheese. Okay, let's add a fruit here. Okay, I am going to add false. and the price is going to be 1.59. The quantity is going to be 10. Okay, I'll get 10 apples. All right, so now print is after adding apples. Okay, after adding apples. Okay, this will print the list after adding the apples. And here print, last print is going to be display products. Display products. Okay, that is all I have. So if everything is correct, there are no errors, it will give us the list of the products with deleted, updated, as well as created, added. Okay, let's run it. Click left side and run here. Let's see what comes up. Here you go. Now you can see here, I will show you. You can see here. See products, milk gallon, $5.99, 20, orange juice, 2 orange juice, $2.99, this. And we had added apples. You see here? You can see apples. After adding apples, now we have orange juice, $2.99, bread, loaf, this, apples, this. See, you can see. And we deleted, what did we delete? We deleted milk gallon, right? See, after deleting, you can see milk gallon was deleted. So after deleting, we have only left with orange juice, bread, loaf, and cheese. After adding, that list became orange juice, bread loaf, cheese, and apples. See, you can see this way. It is all possible with functional programming, including creating a data file and importing in the main UI, in the server file. You can carry out the CRUD operation, create, read, delete, and update operations in a functional programming way, as opposed to object-oriented programming ways. Last video, I showed you object-oriented programming. This time, functional programming ways. And it is done in a very efficient way. You see, you can see it's less than 25 lines of code, and we have been able to do all that. So this is all I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Python functionalities coming up. Support my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.